Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add effects to Instagram story camera. For that we need to go to Instagram account, click on your story, and here we need to click on camera, and here we have different types of filters. So if did not like this filters means it's like this, you need to swipe for few minutes. So here we have different types of trends, and here we have a search bar, click on that. So here have different types of filters. I was choosing one. I was taking a picture like this. Like this, you can add effects on your Instagram story. Thank you.